In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a CORS issue with this simple domain that has www versus the one that does not have www. So I'm going to show you the issue first. On this website, we have the URL with www dot, and if we eliminate the dot, you'll see that the date here that is called on an AJAX locally on the same server has disappeared. And if I would come back to the URL and add the www dot, as you can see, the date reappears back. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the inspector on. Here we are in the network tab. I'm going to show you when it's working first. Right now, when it's working, we are going to select the sorted by type, descending. You'll see that this is the AJAX here, next market date time AJAX. You can see it's successful, status 200 and no error, and in the console there's also no error here. Next, I am going to remove the www, making a mismatch on the call for the AJAX because the AJAX call is using the www, so therefore the fact that the website now is on the dryer.com, it will create an AJAX error, and the AJAX error is caused because of CORS policy, no access control allow origin. And if you look at the network here, you also see that now this particular request is not status 200 but CORS error. All right, so I'm going to show you how to fix this using the code itself to generate a few headers that will allow CORS to be either ignored or actually to be allowed as all requests so that this error will disappear. Afterwards, I'll explain the actual proper way of, probably the better way to solve this issue that is also more SEO compliant, and that is to do redirect from one domain to another, keeping the consistency. Let's say, for example, if you want www, you should stay with www, but I'm not going to go too much detail. Let's see how to fix this using the script. Here's the source code in PHP of the content that is generated by the AJAX that is being called, and I have prepared the actual 3 headers that needs to be added to that PHP, and here it is. Here they are. 3 of them is the allow origin, which is the most popular, and I believe that this by itself would have been enough to eliminate the error, but we also would like to add 2 more to make it more compatible, more consistent throughout, which is the allow headers and the allow methods also. Now with these 3 headers added to the top of your PHP or whatever script that you use, and I'll save it, go back to the browser here, let's refresh it. As you can see, immediately the date appears and the AJAX no longer have the CORS error. To prove the point, we are going to toggle back and forth between www dot, it still appears, let's refresh a couple of times, and also without the www, and it also still appears. So we solved the problem by changing or adding the additional headers that is needed to prevent CORS errors. That's pretty much what I want to solve in this video. Now, like I said, this is kind of like a good patch if you don't care so much about SEO, but this could have also been solved if you are requesting your AJAX with www, or you prefer the www version of your website. If somebody type in the non-www, you should actually do a redirect, a permanent redirect to the www. This way, all traffic will go to the www dot, and that's going to keep consistency of your SEO. But I will not go into this detail in this video because that takes probably another 5-10 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.